Yeah, so toward the February updates, the things we have been working on based on all this feedback we got over basically last year, feedback from customers and experts that have been looking at the enhancements we made in our previous version. We decided to work on these elements. Um, we did see in our previous versions that there were some artifacts and some introduction of, well, kind of banding in the images, which we wanted to improve. We had to improve to create a better overall look and feel of the image. Better local contrast is something that we worked on. Overexposure was also something that could be improved, which we tried to do. More vibrant colors make the image pop a bit more. Also try to create like less of a filter look, but more like popping vibrant colors that throughout an image. And a very important thing was to improve perspective correction. We had a perspective correction AI already, but it needed to work more consistently over multiple images basically. So how does that look in an actual image? Well, this is a sample image we can take a look at. So this is the original image. So there's just the original raw file. And in our previous version, it looked like this. So yeah, what I just mentioned about the popping colors and such, it does look like a sort of yellowish tint that's still all over the image, which, well, there's lots to be improved for that. So this is the previous version, and if we now look at the new version, which is version 3.3 of Autoenhance, that looks like this. So I'll just go back once more and show 3.3. Yeah, there's been a lot of improvements to make the image look more professionally, more towards how a human would edit this image. And if I go more into details for this image specifically, you can see that these updates result in whiter walls compared to, for example, the floor. And there's more contrast and difference in the colors, which make it more natural. The colors of specific elements are also more realistic. For example, the chair is also a bit more gray than it was, a bit more yellow in the previous version. The improved contrast throughout the image. Perspective correction, like I said, was a very important part of our updates. So now the images should be as straight as possible. We worked pretty hard on that to make sure that images are being corrected just like a human would correct it. And these enhancements in this new version also result in better textures. So for example, in the wood, you can see better textures in the grains of the wood. So yeah, we're very excited to release this new update. It is now possible to use it. It's a step towards the bigger goal that Jamie mentioned at the beginning of working towards a human level of enhancements.